How to check your Target RedCard application status. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will learn how we can check Target RedCard application status. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Since Target does not offer the online status tracking, so to check your RedCard status you have to make a call to the Target customer service. So to search for the number, you could head over to Google, then search for Target RedCard official support line. So once you land on this interface here, you could make a call to this number right here. So right here under give us a call, there is a number at the first option which is as 1-800-424-6888. So this is the official RedCard support line. You have to make a call to this number. After that, you have to be ready with your application ID, the last digit of your SSN. And the automated system will also check your application instantly. So make sure that you have all of these numbers right here. So provide your information, and if approved, your card will arrive within 7 to 10 business days. And if it's still processing, the system will let you know. And that's it. With just one quick call, you can know your Target RedCard status. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.